Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you step by step how to make a house plan in the dimensions of 18 by 30 feet. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see clearly the width of this house is 18 feet and length is 30 feet. So this is roadside, the front is roadside, and guys, you can see clearly thickness of the wall is 6 inches. This is boundary wall, you can see clearly. Let me mention it. This is boundary wall, which is 6 inches. Same here. Internal walls are also 6 inches, and this is boundary wall, which you can see. This is its front side. Okay, here guys, you can see clearly. So first of all, this is main gate, which width is 10 feet. This is main gate. This is main gate, which is 5 feet. Our main entrance, you can see this is 5 feet width. Okay. Next, guys, you can see the first one. When you enter by this main gate, so this is a the first one. This is a drawing room. This is a drawing room. Which size of this drawing room is 8 feet by 13 feet. Width is 8 feet, length is 13 feet. This is size of this drawing room. Guys, you can see here. Now this is the other door here, and the first one, you can see this is kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 6 feet by 6 feet. At the back side, you can see this is OTS, open to sky, which width is 2 feet 6 inches. This is its width. So here, guys, you can see clearly this is the window to this open sky for proper ventilation. Okay, this is window, and this is the window for this kitchen to the back side. Next, guys, you can see this is living room or TV lounge. Size of this living room is 10 feet by 15 feet. This is 10 feet by 15 feet size of this living room. Okay, so guys, you can see this is a store. Store size is 4 feet by 8 feet, and you can see this is ventilation to the back to the front side of this house. Okay, next, guys, you can see these are steps or stairs going to the first floor. So this is up. Width is 3 feet for each flight. Under this staircase, we have, under this stair landing, we have general bath, and the size is 4 feet by 6 feet. And guys, you can see clearly this is its ventilation to this open sky. So we have three, one window, this is also window, and this is ventilation. This is for the first floor. Guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 9 feet by, this is 9 feet by 14 feet. This is size of this bedroom. Guys, you can see here this is the door for bath. Size of this bath is 4 by 5 feet. 4 feet width, 5 feet its length. Guys, you can see this is its ventilation. This is the window for this bedroom. That's why, because this is OTS, open to sky. Size is 4 feet by 4 feet. And this is the other window for this living room for proper ventilation and lighting. As you can see, we have two OTS, open to sky. This is the other open to sky, and the size 4 by 4 feet. The bath is 4 by 5 feet. Bedroom is 9 by 14 feet. This is a staircase. Width is 6 feet. Width is 6 feet. Each flight is 3 feet. And under the stair we have general bath. This is kitchen, size is 6 by 6 feet. Living room size is 10 by 15 feet. This is OTS at the back side for proper ventilation and lighting, which is 2 feet and 6 inches width. This is a drawing room to the front side of this house, especially at the roadside. Size is 8 by 13 feet. This is store, size is 4 by 8 feet, and this is its ventilation. Okay, so hope this short video can help you how to make a small house planning in the dimensions of 18 by 30 feet. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.